Hi everyone. So we go to 7.b, finding price. First, we discuss terminologies and notation. Consider the cash flow of a bond. So suppose we have n years and bond is purchased at time 0. So for bond buyer, cash outflow of P at time 0. Suppose that this bond have payment that is called coupon. So this is usually denoted as F times R. So F is basically the so-called face value or par value. So this is a kind of similar to price, but a kind of nominal price. And R is a kind of interest rate, but based on this nominal price F. So F times R. So this payment is made n times. And finally, at last, we also get the principal, C. And suppose effective annual interest rate is equal to I. So in this case, as I have already written, so P is called price or present value. And this F, this is a kind of the nominal value. So this is called the face value. And coupon rate is calculated based on face value. So this is denoted as R. And this kind of principal is called redemption value. So we write this as C. And usually we use N for the number of remaining coupon repayments. So sometimes bond is purchased in the middle. For example, you can buy the 20-year bonds when we have only 6 years to maturity. So N is 6 if payments are annual. And also that we have the effective annual interest rate. So this is also called a yield rate. And also another interest rate, G, is called special coupon rate. This is defined by C times G is equal to F times R. So usually coupon is calculated based on the face value F, but sometimes it's calculated based on this redemption value C. So once you get F, R, and C, then you can get G. And conventionally, the face value of the bond is $100. Sometimes F is equal to $1,000 without any remark. So this is confusing sometimes. And otherwise, it should be mentioned if the bond, the face value is 50 or 10 or 10,000, it should be mentioned. And although this example is bond with annual payments, the most bonds have semi-annual coupons. So some questions that assume the semi-annual coupons without many comments. So I would like to just mention one thing about P and F. So coupon rate is based on F, but the present price is slightly different. So this happens because of practical reasons. For example, the government decide to issue a bond with face value of $100 with coupon rate 3%. But in some market condition, the interest rate or yield rate that drops in the market to 2.5%. Then yield rate drops, so the price should be higher. But because of some logistic reasons, maybe you cannot change F. So just the P gets higher than F. So that's why we have different P and F. Okay, so now you can do quiz the 4-2-2. Okay, see you then.